Today we will discuss regarding belief. What is belief? Feeling of truth of oneself in something is called belief. Rajiv said to Sanjeev that Sonia is a bad girl. Next day Sanjeev saw Sonia with Vijay. Thus, an image of Sonia being bad was created in the mind of Sanjeev. Sanjeev told this to Rajiv, and again Rajiv told Sanjeev something more badly about Sonia. A week after, when Sanjeev again saw Sonia with someone else, a belief was created in the mind of Sanjeev that Sonia is a bad girl. This is generally how a belief is created in the mind. Activated events turn in beliefs. Ram was very upset with his work. He was passing through bad time. His business was going down and thus he was under depression. He contemplated on the recent happenings of negativity with him. This contemplation further pulled him low. Finally, he decided to discuss this with one of his friends. Friend told him that he knows a very good astrologer who has solution for everything. Next day he took Ram to the astrologer. The astrologer told Ram that his stars are not favorable, so are the problems being faced. Planet Venus needs to be pleased. Unless and otherwise planet Venus gets pleased, your business will not run fine. What is the solution? Asked Ram. Every Thursday you should visit temple and recite a particular mantra 51 times in front of goddess statue, replied the astrologer. After offering prayers at the temple, you have to feed a black cow with wheat dough. All your stopped works will start running and your business will come on the track. From the very next day, Ram started implementing the solutions provided by the astrologer. Luckily, after few weeks, Ram got a good order and Ram business started flourishing. Ram started believing that this has all happened due to the solution provided by the astrologer. Hence, for all his petty problems related to business and family, Ram started visiting the astrologer, as a strong belief of the astrologer was built in the mind of Ram. Once the belief is set in the mind, then the thinker operates on the basis of this belief stored in the memory. Belief is always self-created and usually takes momentum when the self is weak. A time comes when the self becomes weaker than the belief and the belief overrides the self. Mind comes totally in the grip of belief. We read in newspapers about many stories where people sacrifice animals and even kids on pretext of making local deity happy, so that their future is safe and sound, especially in the tribal regions or uneducated class. All this was done under the influence of their local priest, whom they believed more than themselves. There is no bureau of standards for the belief, whether the belief set in individual mind is believable or not. Is the belief which is in the mind operating is true or false? Although with the passage of time, education system has brought down and exposed many blind beliefs operating in the society, but still there are millions of people on earth who fall easily prey to belief that do not possess any proof behind them. The only solution to this can be provided by educating the people. One should be very alert before taking refuge in any belief. You should believe in yourself and should not give room to the outer influences. Culture, society, religion might thrust beliefs on you, but you should be smart enough to understand the truth behind these beliefs. Truth can be understood when belief is not there, as belief will not allow you to see the truth. You should drop the belief so that truth can come in. Once you see the truth, then you can believe in truth. If you read newspaper, you can see that majority of the fraud, cheating, rapes were committed because the victim believed the convict. One should be vigilant while you create belief. Belief is a complex subject. One must be strong enough to believe in oneself rather than believing others. When robbery takes place in a bank, it is most likely that there must be some insider who would have given the information. If you believe your maid, driver, cook, etc. blindly, then you are at risk. Police records confirm that in majority cases, there was a hand of an insider in crimes. Had you been vigilant before investing in some lucrative scheme, you would not have been looted or cheated. Even when you see your emails, you will find that there are many emails claiming for big business, or like your email has won £1 million, etc. All those who believed in them today are in big problems. Even government, including banks, keeps writing that beware of such phishing scams. Now, in this scenario, whom to believe and whom not to believe? Belief is exceptionally expensive, and it must be spent with utmost intelligence. When you are alert and mind is under vigilance mode, then you automatically get the answer. You don't get carried away in the talks of others. You apply mind instead of mind getting carried away in emotions. At times, you have to believe others when things are not in your hand. When you fall sick and surgery is advised by the doctor, then you have no option except to believe. But in this situation also, one must be alert and smart to take second opinion before surrendering your body to the surgeon. You can believe in your parents, brother, sister, wife, children, close friends, and few relatives who can guide you in this difficult situation, on whom to believe and on whom not to believe.